Welcome to Baby Junction. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Banana. Bananas are soft and sweet. Orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Mango. Mango is the king of fruits. Pineapple. Pineapple is a spiky fruit. Grapes. Grapes grow in big bunches. Strawberry. Strawberry is a red fruit. Watermelon. Watermelon is big and juicy. Blueberry. Blueberry is small and round. Cherry. Cherry is sweet and red. Papaya. Papaya is good for digestion. Kiwi. Kiwi is small and tangy. Pear. Pears are sweet and juicy. Peach. Peaches are soft and juicy. Plum. Plums are sweet and purple. Guava. Guavas are full of vitamin C. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are full of juicy red seeds. Lychee. Lychees are small and juicy. Fig. Figs are sweet and chewy. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is sweet and healthy. Apricot. Apricots are soft and orange. Blackberry. Blackberry is juicy and full of vitamins. Raspberry. Raspberry is sweet, tart, and healthy. Muskmelon. Muskmelon is juicy and refreshing. Star fruit. Star fruit looks like a star. Passion fruit. Passion fruit is tangy. Custard apple. Custard apples are creamy inside. Avocado. Avocados are creamy and healthy. Cranberry. Cranberry is tart and rich in nutrients. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is the largest fruit.